You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this very long, quite curious word once and for all correctly, better known but often referred to as THC. But if you want to say it fully, the full form, tetrahydro, meaning there's 4 hydrogens, tetra, not tetra, tetrahydrocannabinol, cannabinol. As a whole, the full pronunciation in English, how to pronounce tetrahydrocannabinol, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.